Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Let me introduce myself, Melviana Hirunisa from Tadris Bahasa Indonesia study program at UIN Sunan Gunung Jati Bandung. I will interview one of the student Islamic community development. Can you introducing yourself?
Okay, thank you. Waalaikumsalam warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. My name is Indra Ramadan. My major is Islamic Development Community. And I'm here, and inshallah I'm ready to tell you guys about an answer about education in Indonesia.
Okay, thank you for introduce yourself. Nice to meet you. And first question, we will talk about education. What do you think about education in Indonesia?
Okay, Melvi, thanks for the question. I will tell you about good things first about education in Indonesia. We all have known about in Indonesia in this modern era we have increasingly better in education for all kind of aspect in education, like in academics thing. In the teacher aspect, they have not only update about how to give a student about the method of learning, a good method of learning, word method of learning. So the teacher is not like stuck in the ancient era. Like the teacher can be more updatedly to teaching the student in this modern era. Like they have known about all the update things about how to make the student can be learning fastly. That's about good things in the teacher aspect. And the second things is the good things in the good things of education in Indonesia in the student aspect. Okay, in the student aspect, like we all have knowledge too about the student have more discipline, like in this modern era. Of course we have many many difficult things, like how about the ethics about the people, about the kids. We all worry about that things, but in my opinion we don't have to worry about that things, because all these modern things, all the secularism things can be handled with the Islamic things. Like in this UIN Sunan Gunung Jati Bandung, we all have now teach about good ethics, and we need to give education to this modern era, to this alpha gen, to have known about how to act good, like how to have prosocial behavior things in the kids. To the kids, so they can learn many things, many good things. That's about good things. And next, about bad things in Indonesia. About bad things education in Indonesia, we all have knowledge too about in this modern era, in this social media era, many news they are not appropriate to the kids under 18 to reach, but kids under 18 can reach it. Maybe many things, many negative things, and that's spread around the internet that kids can reach it easily. We need to handle all of that kind of problem. We need to be the problem solver for that things. Specifically in this thing is the kids. These kids is the assets of our nations. We need to teach them, we need to make them learn how to be a good student, how to be a good kid. Many bad things in the internet can be reached by the kids, and they can and the kids they feel like they influenced by that bad things. and that's the bad things for my opinion.
Okay, thank you for your opinion. And the next question is, do you think teacher in Indonesia have implemented appropriate learning methods?
Okay, that's a good question though. And if you ask me about my opinion, this is kind of aggressive things. Like, why this is aggressive? Cause I will tell you guys the truth. In my opinion, right now the teacher is not appropriate to teach the student in Indonesia. Why? Cause I will tell you guys the reason why. In my opinion, like this, the teacher in Indonesia is over proud, over arrogant. For me, why over arrogant? Like, they want the kids to over respect to them. Like, that's not the things that we want to. Why? Like, in the academic things, the kids must be creative. The kids, the student must be like brave to send their what is in their mind. And if they're fully of scariness to the teacher, how can they be a creative student? That's the point. Like, the teacher do not feels like they are the king in the class. They're not the king, they are the teacher. The teacher must be teach with free things, with smile, so the student is not feel on pressure. Their creativeness is not on pressure. That's what I mean. Like, the kids, the student must be free on their creativeness and must be brave with sending their minds, their truly minds, because that's what we need. So the point is, the teacher must be have a new method. They must teach the student with their kind of method of learning. The student can be brave to send their truly mind, and the student cannot be afraid. That's my point for your second question.
Okay, thank you for your opinion. And the last question, what is the solution?
Okay, Melvi, thank you for this last question. And in my opinion about the solution, right? Of course, we need to find the solution. We need to be a problem solver for all kind of academic things in Indonesia, because we all have known that we are agent of change. Yeah, we need to be a problem solving for that kind of problem, academic problem. In my opinion, the first solution is Indonesia must be learned with academic method in the West area. That's what I mean. In the West area, like what did Americans do to their students? What did English do to their students? Because we need to lower our pride. We need to lower our pride and learn to the nation who have a great method of teaching. That's what we need. That's why we need to upgrade our system about the academics. What upgrade things? We need to upgrade. The first thing, we need to upgrade the teacher. We need to more like have a new rule about recruit the teacher, so the teacher can be worth it. That's what I mean. Like, we need to have a great teacher, because the teacher is the assets of the nation. That's the first thing, in my opinion. And the second thing is we need more education of of a religion, because in this modern era, in this secularism era, we need teach the kids how to make them soul can be more like cool, like more wisely. In the first thing I say, like, we need to learn from American, but we need to keep our ethics. We don't need to learn ethics from American, because we have the greatest ethics if we compare to American, of course. Like, that must be kept. That's culture, that's ethics of culture must be kept Indonesian. We have the great we are already great in the ethics, so we can combine the culture of ethics, of a great ethics in Indonesia, and we can combine with the modern era of method to teaching the kids, the student. I think that's the perfect combination. I think that's two things, in my opinion, how to be a problem solver, how to find a solution. The first thing, that's what I say. Like, the teacher, we need to upgrade the teacher, and the second thing, we need to upgrade the method of learning. Like, we need to learn to the West area. We need to learn their technology. We need to learn their education. We need to learn their academic things, but we need to keep our culture of ethics. We need to combine it with the smartness of our that we should do, that what we should do in the future.
Thanks for giving all of your opinion, and thanks also Mr. Sajidin and Mr. Syahda Musaini for guidance. Okay, once again, thank you for Bang Indra. Wassalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.